um, just to configure what I want in a device, wearable goggles, augmented reality. So what I did was I added the cameras with the diode and LED signal, and I did not connect any units. I just wanted to make sure that I have the space to fit my idea goggles. So I know the space that I'm going to be occupying of the glasses. Here is this is a driver to drive the display lenses. I'm using transparent display lenses. I don't have them on here right now because I don't want them falling off. I have not. I have done this by hand. I have to reshape it again. I kind of broke some segments. The plastics for the holes for the chips, I have them here. I just have a little tape coupled on to hold the modules on, so I know the space that I'm going to be occupying of the glasses. Here I have an Arduino Nano. I also have an MCU chip, the robot. This is for the robot controller, so I'm using it to control the parts and segments. I wanted articulated eyes as far as lens to move up and down. I'm still planning on doing that. This is just a premature segment. I have a camera for the side. This is a module for the camera. It has an output that I can use. The facepoint, I have the adapter. The connection to, I have 4 cameras on here so far. I wanted actually 6 cameras. There are 3 of them for one for the one to watch an angular, and 1 facing towards the back to watch the opposite direction back of me. I was going to split the displays into the software to split these for software. We have a module. Have the Doppler effect sensors, the Doppler sensors, right? The magnetic Doppler sensor. I have a neural sky sensor right here in module circuit, and I have here a 3-volt battery recharger module. This is a processor to assist in power charge. I have a battery under here. It's just like a filament. I have a camera module under here, a Wi-Fi camera module, and with a micro SD card, micro SD memory card. So the idea is just trying to locate the metric range with the modules and assembling it and checking its weight to make sure it's not heavy, not very heavy. So I still have more modules to apply to here, but it's just seeing what I can incorporate on a wearable goggles, all kinds of sensory. My idea, I want to add piezo buzzers alongside the frontal part of the segment. I also want to apply rubber and coil inside of it, and apply magneto rubber and a little magnet to vibrate like a speaker front that has a camera central. So I have that material to incorporate around there. Just use some glue and stuff like that. Now, building the enclosures, I have to do it by hand, manually, and to create the enclosures to house these modules. And I'm going to use also another articulated joint for the ends, so I can, the ear ends hooks, so I can use one to attach, another curve to attach to the earlobe, and to host at the earlobe for the electroid for the neural sky, and also one for the temple. So this is part of the segment, and I guess just testing to see what I can get out of it. Okay, this is module. Has some sort of transparency. This is, I've chosen for the back of the unit to be fixed here with binocularic. I plan to shield the transparency, and I really large display unit. I would need a large display, larger than this, larger fit over the segment, so I plan on